Let's go on. Wait, what? Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. Oh Elon, what have you done? Who would have thought a tweet could have such a large impact on a whole market? Bitcoin will no longer be accepted as payment for Teslas, but luckily that's not what we're talking about today, as I'm invested in Ethereum. Now, back in February this year, I took a bit of a leap of faith, and without really reading too much into it, I bought some Ethereum, hoping for the best. Since then, I can't lie, it's been going pretty well, and I must admit it's been really satisfying watching my investment continuously increase in value. But nothing truly satisfies me more than watching you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, as this YouTube channel is by far my most enjoyable investment. So with that being said, let's discuss why I bought Ethereum, how much I bought, how much it's worth now, and my thoughts and predictions for the future. If I'm completely honest, I made this investment without doing too much research, and if anything it was more of an educated bet than anything else. I think it's important at this point for me to mention that the money that I put into Ethereum was money that I was willing to lose, and I'd probably recommend the same for anyone else that's trying to invest into something risky, such as a cryptocurrency asset. I'd watched a couple of YouTube videos and read a couple of articles, and that was all it took for me to put my money into Ethereum. Admittedly, it did take a bit of internal convincing to get me to buy this Ethereum, but I'm at the sort of age where I feel like I just need to take more risks, and I need to really just put myself out there in the investing world, and hopefully I'll be able to capitalise from it. And if not, then worst case scenario, I'll lose the money that I was willing to lose anyway, and I'll learn a couple of valuable lessons along the way. And just before you jump into any conclusions and think that I bought like $20,000 worth of Ethereum, well, unfortunately I didn't. I got in when Ethereum was worth just below $1,620 or £1,200 for my UK viewers, and I only bought one coin, so I invested £1,200 or $1,620 and not a penny more since then. As you're about to find out, Ethereum has grown considerably since then, and I'm pretty happy with the price that I got in on. So now the part that you've all been waiting for: how much is my investment worth now? Now, I think it's worth to mention that cryptocurrencies are quite a volatile asset, and the price of them constantly changes from minute to minute, from second to second even. So it's hard for me to pinpoint exactly how much my investment is worth now, because I could check back in an hour's time and it could be completely different. But at the time of recording, I'm happy to say that my initial investment of $1,620 or £1,200 is now worth £2,900 or $4,100 at the time of recording. So I'm pretty happy with that. Just a couple of days ago it was worth $4,400, which is £3,100. But since Elon's tweet, things have dropped considerably, but I'm pretty sure everything will recover relatively soon. I believe in Ethereum quite a bit, and since buying for the first time I've done a bit more research, so I'm confident that the price will go back up. My one regret about all of this is simply not buying more. I was on the verge of buying one more Ethereum, but for some reason I just stopped myself, and instead I decided to go and buy a car that's been draining my bank account ever since. I could have been sitting on $8,700 worth of Ethereum, which is around £6,400 or £6,200, but instead, well, I'm not, and I have a car, so there you go. There is a lesson for anyone that's holding off of any investment at the moment that they truly believe in. Just simply go for it, because you'll end up like me, thinking about how you could have had nearly $10,000 worth of Ethereum at the moment. So to finish off with, what does the future bring? Well, the simple answer to that is nobody really knows, because cryptocurrencies in the grand scheme of things are still a relatively new investment. So things are changing constantly, and there are new developments almost every single day. However, based on my research, I believe that Ethereum has a lot of upside potential, and prices could reach anywhere between $7,000 and $10,000 within the next 5 to 10 years. But don't come at me if they don't, because this is simply my guess or my educated estimate based on what articles I've been reading and based on information that I found on the internet, because at the end of the day, as I said earlier, nobody really knows. With that being said, thanks for watching, guys. We're nearly at 100 subs, so if you could help me reach that milestone before the next video, I'll honestly be over the moon. Smash the like button and I'll see you next time.